All right, welcome. Actually, first and foremost, let me introduce myself to you. My name is Anthony Wanchiko, the founder of OralGist Technology. Now, why am I dropping this year? Actually, we have been off for some time. Let me just say, like 3 years or thereabout from Gisters concepts. Okay, so right now we are rebranding. It's not as if we have been off. We are actually rebranding this platform. Okay, so we are actually now going to be OralGist, not Gisters concept anymore. So actually OralGist has a platform for the OralGist relationship where you have the total in-depth hints of relationship issues. I can actually solve relationship issues, your best advice for relationship or whatever. We have a platform for that, OralGist relationship. Now this is OralGist technology for all the in-depth details of technology. How you can actually monetize yourself. How you can actually use your smartphone to do some things which you cannot, which you even imagine they cannot do. Instead, when you tell laptop, you actually do things with your phone, your smartphone, be it iOS or be it Android. You can actually do things your laptop cannot do, or whatever your laptop can do, you can actually do it on your mobile phone. So we're going to show you all these things step by step on this platform. Okay, we are back, and I'm good to all our subscribers. Actually, we apologize for not even being active for like 2 or 3 years. We apologize, but we are back right now in different style and awesome technology to give to you. So sit tight. Also remember, if you haven't subscribe to our YouTube channel. Okay, we are going to give you back to back this time around, back to back. Okay, nothing is going to miss in this platform, be it websites, be it graphic design, be it anything you want to learn about technology. Even I can actually do some capcut video editing, in short video editing for your YouTube channel, TikTok, Facebook. I can actually like monetize your pages. We give it to you right here, and only here you get everything in detail. No extra class, no master class. Everything is going to be on this platform. You're going to see it clear and in details. Okay, clear and details on only OralGist technology. So what are you waiting for? If you haven't subscribe right now, and see you in our first official video coming soon, maybe this week or next week. But once you start, we'll be giving you back to back in details and everything you need to know back to back. So what are you waiting for? Tell someone about Gisters tell someone about OralGist. Tell somebody about OralGist. Okay, OralGist technology, we are there for you. Also, you can actually check OralGist websites. Okay, OralGist website is actually a news media platform where you can actually get your detailed news, be it technology, local news, foreign news, sports news, anything, lifestyle, health. We give it to you back to back. Okay, we're also on LinkedIn. You can check us on LinkedIn. We're on Facebook. You can check our pages. We are everywhere right now on this on every social media platform. Just search your Google or search your pages and just search OralGist to show to you immediately. We are number one. We are giving you back to back, as I said, back to back. OralGist is giving back to back. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe if you have not subscribed, and let's go to our first official video, returning back from Jesus concepts and manifesting to OralGist technology. See you in our first video.